Now, the one thing I am going to do is I'm going to leave my battery in place. I'm not going to put sound skins in or around this at all. I don't want to shift my battery around. I'm going to leave that as is. The other thing I'm going to not do, so you can see my primary ground and my primary power right here. I'm not going to disturb those at all. So my goal in this really is to get to as much bare metal as possible. And what you do here is really going to depend on what you want for this. Now, the other thing I am also going to do is I'm going to pull this black plastic trim. There's a couple of those little expanding rivets here and here. I'm going to pull my side carpets because I want to lay sound skins all through those areas as well. So I'll show you that process, but I wanted to give you kind of a quick introduction to what the space looks like before we do it. Your car may be a little bit different, but it's going to be similar enough that I think you can use this on pretty much any car. Now, in addition, we do have our sensor right here. This is for your remote access sensor. It has a Torx bit. It's probably going to be a T20 from the look of it that you put right down through the center, and you can pull that up. Any place where I have an exposed post, I'm going to cut the sound skins around the post so all of these modules can go back down on really nicely. Okay, so the very first things I'm going to do is pull those 10 millimeters so I can lift those modules or get them ready to be moved. And then I'm going to show you, at least in my car, and very similar to probably your car, how to take the side carpets off.